Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Hey guys, so I have scrambled up the whole Rubik's Cube, and in order to start trying to solve the Rubik's Cube, you need to pick any color on the Rubik's Cube, any choice you want. I suggest, if you're a beginner, to follow my tutorial. You should probably start with white, because that's what I'm starting with. So the first step is obviously trying to solve white, but you want to try to get a cross of all white. Like, you want to try to get all the whites into a plus right here, to where all these edge pieces have white on them. But here's the catch. It has to match, like, this is white and green, and it has to be matching this piece right here. It has to be matching with the center. And you want to do that with every single white edge piece. So like this would have to be white and red. So let's find the white and red, which is right here. So you want to turn it like this. You want to turn it to the bottom. Now this piece is where the white and red's supposed to be. So you basically want to replace it with it. So I want to bring it down like that, and then just move it, the white and red, into the place, and now it's there, and I just put it back. So now it's matched up. You want to do this all around until you have a plus. So here's the blue and white, so it goes right there. So just do what I did with the red. So now it's down there. Now so you want it here, so you bring this down, then you slide it in, and then put it back. So now this piece, these three pieces right here are all matched up. Now all we have left is white and orange. So let's find the white and orange. So it's right here. So you just want to, basically you just want to move it out of the way so it's on the bottom row somehow, so it's easy to use, or easy to maneuver to put into the place. So I just put it on the bottom row and put this back. And it doesn't matter where the corners are yet. I'll explain that on the next step. So you have the white and orange. So yeah, you just put it in like all the other steps. So you just bring it down, move it over, and bring it up. So now we have the plus. The next step for solving the first part, which is the white, is you have to solve the corners. So the first corner, for example, that I'm going to try to solve is white, blue, and orange. These three right here, because they match up with all the middle pieces. So I'm going to find the white, blue, and orange corner piece, which is right here. So you just want to bring it over to where you want it. So right here. You just want it to be in the area. It doesn't matter the angle yet. And then you just move it over. So yeah, you want this to replace this piece. So that's basically what I'm trying to do right now. So you just move it over, bring this down, and then just replace it and bring it back up. So now it's in the right place. And you just want to do that with all the corner pieces. So this piece is actually in the wrong place. So I'm just going to go move it out of the way by bringing it down and just swapping it out. I want to put it in the right place. So this is white, green, and orange. So I'm just going to match it up. So white, green, and orange. I just want to move it out of the way, bring this piece down, and just swoop it through. So now it's matched right here. I just want to bring it back up. You want to do this with all the pieces until you have all the white solid. So this piece it's already here, except it just needs to be rotated, twisted basically. So in order to do that, you just bring it down and move it out of the way. And you just slide it back in. So just go move it out of the way, bring it down, swoop, it back in, and bring it up. The last piece is right here. So yeah, so I'm moving this piece to here. So you just So I made it like that. And bring it down to the bottom row. Like I said, it's a lot easier to maneuver with. And you just move it out of the way, bring it down, and then swoop it in, and then bring it back up. So now we have all of the white solved. So now that we've finished the whole white area, this whole piece right here, this whole chunk, you just want to flip it over and then match this piece with the middle piece. So like that, and it should match all the way along. And now what we're going to try to do is match this whole middle, whatchamacallit, the whole middle row, if this piece is facing a table. So basically what you want to do, you want to find the two edges, or the two colors that match into an edge. So like this is blue and red, so that means that there's supposed to be a blue and red edge right here. So let's find the blue and red. Oh, it's right here. So I'm going to move the blue and red to where the bottom piece, so this is blue, to match with the same color. So you just want to move it over like that. Once you moved it over, I want to try to move this piece right here to replace this piece. So do this exact algorithm. So you want to go like this, 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 this. So now this piece is here, and the piece that used to be there is somewhere up here. So I just replaced it, and you just want to do that over and over, and just repeat the step over and over. So here is red and orange, or red and green, sorry, and you'll find the red and green, you can move it over, and since I'm moving it over here and it's the opposite side, because before I was moving it to the right, this one you're moving to the left, you just want to do the opposite, so you just want to go like this, 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 this. And now it's there. It's kind of hard to explain because it's kind of a complicated algorithm. So I have the same thing right here. It's going to the left. So I'm just going to repeat the previous step. So like this. So now it's in the right place. Now we only have one more, which is green and orange. So you want to find the green and orange piece and put it to where it matches right here, and just do the same algorithm except going to the right. So now it matches up. So now we have solved this whole chunk right here. Now, one thing that you might run into when solving this second layer is the piece is in the wrong direction, or it's one of the edge pieces, like for example, this orange and blue could be right here, but you don't know how to take it out. You just do the same algorithm, except to replace it. For example, I kind of need this yellow and red to go there, so then this is out of the place. So I'm basically just going to swap it. So you're going to do the pattern to make it go to the left. So you go like this. So now this yellow and red piece is here. But now this orange and green is free. And now you just go back and do the same algorithm. So you just want to go like this. So now it's in the right place. So now you have learned how to solve the second layer. Okay guys, now that we've solved the second whole piece, the second piece or the middle piece, we're focusing on the top piece right here. And what we're going to try to do right now is we are going to try to make a yellow cross at the top. Just a yellow cross. So you're probably going to start off with an L, a backwards L, and if you have like some sort of shape that goes like this, that's all you want to care about. You do not, these corner pieces don't they're not in the picture right now. They don't matter. All you're worrying about is the edge pieces, so, and the middle piece. So you want it to be like this, just some sort of shape, or not some sort of shape, the exact shape where it goes 2 out and 1 up or down or whatever. And you want to match it, or put the shape that I have, and you just want to tilt it to where it's in the top left corner exactly how I have it. And now what you want to do is, after this shape and after the algorithm I'm about to show you, it will turn into a line, and then you just repeat the algorithm and you get a cross. So I want to show you that algorithm now. So you just want to go so now you have a plus, and you just want to do it again. So now I have a plus. Now the next step is you just want to, so it's going to be, the top piece is going to be in any possible way this way. It doesn't really matter. But you just want to match up 2 pieces like this. You just want to match 2 pieces side by side with the middle pieces, or the bottom rows. So I'm going to do that really quick. So I'm going to match this piece with here and see if there's one side by side, which indeed there is. So I have yellow and green and yellow and orange. Now that you have the cross, and I mixed it up so then you don't get confused, because now the corner pieces are off, so now you only focus on the yellow cross. So basically it's pretty self-explanatory. After these edge pieces are solved, which they should be by now, you want to find a matching corner piece. Just a matching corners piece like this one. It's in the right place. However, it just needs to be rotated. That does not matter, if it needs to be rotated right now. I will show you exactly how to do that in the next step. You just want a yellow, red, and green piece to match and go right here. It doesn't matter, yet again, it does not matter if it's rotated or not. So now you want to move this piece over to the left side of your cube. So it's just like this, to the left side. You want to do this algorithm that should solve every other one. And you might have to do it a couple times. It depends. You have to probably repeat it. So you just want to go like this. So now, it's still in the right place, and this piece is matched up, this piece is matched up, and this piece is matched up. I got lucky, and all these pieces, these 2 corner pieces are already exactly how I want it. In some instances, all four of them are going to be messed up, but it's completely fine. It's an easy fix. So now in order to solve this, in order to rotate these 2 pieces, or not these 2 pieces, but I want to be doing one at a time. But in order to, for example, in order to rotate this piece to how I want it, you want to put it on this piece onto the right side, so it's like this. You just want to repeat this pattern over and over and over, so then this yellow piece is facing up. It will make the rest look like it's messed up, but it's not going to be messed up, I promise you. So you just want to repeat this pattern like this. You just want to go so now it's matched right here, and make sure that you do this last move right here. It's very, very, very important. Now, do not move the angle of the cube at all. Instead of moving it over like that, you want to keep it like this. You just want to move the top to where it's like that, at the same angle to where it's at the right side. And you just want to repeat the same thing again over and over until the yellow piece matches up. And now you just turn it, and now you have learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Just play this video many times if you want, and just learn, just figure out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If if you like this content, please leave a like, and maybe subscribe if you want to see more useful tutorials. Or I also post music videos on this channel for 1 hour remixes. I also play Minecraft, Fortnite, basically you name it. So yeah, just leave a like and subscribe if you like this content. Goodbye.